Hello students. In our previous civics chapter, you have learnt about the topic diversity, the meaning of diversity. Today, we are going to learn how our diversity can lead to discrimination. There are certain key terms which are very important for you to remember. Let's see what are they. Constitution, the set of basic laws to govern a country. Discrimination, it means the practice of treating a person or group less fairly than others. Equality, the fact of being equal in rights. Prejudice, the practice of prejudging people without much thought or knowledge. Stereotype, the practice of judging people on the basis of preconceived ideas about a community or group at large. The aspect of being different from each other is what we call as diversity. We all are different from each other. That leads to diversity. Diversity enriches our lives. We can learn many things from each other. However, not everyone appreciates diversity. There are people who discriminate others on the basis of this diversity. People who are different from others are often subjected to unfair treatment in society. It may be because of their gender, it may be because of their caste, it may be because of their religion, and so on. Discrimination. It refers to the practice of treating a person or a group less fairly than others. That means giving importance to a particular person or a particular group and treating others as inferior to them. Generally, people are discriminated on the grounds of their skin color, caste, race, religion, language, occupation, gender, etc. People who are discriminated are looked down upon and denied the benefits and status available to others in society. One such example is of untouchables or the Dalit people, whom we have treated very badly just because they belonged to a lower caste. People whom we treat badly or we discriminate, we tend to exclude them from certain activities, or we even denied them the access to certain jobs, and even discriminated people stopped living in certain neighborhoods. Here is an example. The people who do not have enough money to buy often face discriminations in big shops, expensive restaurants, posh private hospitals, and other institutions. Means, if we have negative opinion about a particular person or about a particular group, we will automatically discriminate them at some point of time. Now, these negative opinions can be termed as prejudices and stereotypes. There are certain notions in our society. For example, girls are bad at math, boys aren't creative. Do you think it is correct? There are girls who are so good at math, and there are boys who are so creative. This is a particular notion, that is a stereotype notion, which exists in our society. Prejudice. Prejudice is prejudging or forming opinions about a person or group without much thought or knowledge. When we judge someone or when we form an opinion about a particular person or a group without giving much thought to it or without having any knowledge about that particular person, we create prejudice. As a result, we tend to see them negatively and consider them inferior to others. And we also subject them to discriminatory practices, deny them the rights and respect that they deserve. There can be many things that we can prejudice about, such as religious belief, economic status, region that people come from, clothes that people wear, language that people speak, and even skin color. Whenever we treat someone badly or whenever we treat someone unfavorably or discriminate them, we hurt them. It really hurts them. So, we must avoid judging people. Instead of that, we must first try to know that person before coming to a conclusion. We must educate ourselves about different languages, different cultures and religions of the world. All cultures, all languages, all religion of the world, they have their own importance. And we must give respect to all cultures, all languages and all religions of the world. Then only we can treat people affectionately and respect them. Stereotype. Stereotype means judging people on the basis of preconceived opinion or the opinion which exists from before in our society. Generally, stereotypes are created on the basis of gender, religion, caste, region, and so on of people. Now here, gender-based means in our society, we tend to create an image of a girl and a boy. Means there are certain notions which we apply for girls and there are certain notions which we apply for boys. For example, suppose you have to go to a birthday party Whenever we go to a shop to buy birthday gift, the shopkeeper also asks, you want to purchase it for a girl or a boy? That means we have created a stereotype opinion that there are few things which are only meant for boys, whereas there are few things which are only meant for girls. Let's learn more about stereotype. Because of stereotype, we create an image of boys and girls, as I told you. We do not give fair importance to their capabilities, whereas we only believe on the certain image which we have created for boys and girls. Every individual is a unique personality with a special set of skills, talents, and achievements. When we create stereotype, we hinders our outlook towards the world. Because of stereotype, we are forced to label people as per their assumptions created by the society and not on the basis of their capability. I hope you have a clear vision of the concept, prejudice, and stereotypes. In my next lecture, I will make you understand that as a result of this prejudice and stereotype notions, how people strived for equality and how our constitution have tried to help them out. Thank you.